So for today's tutorial, we are using one of our newest suedes in the shade Desert Rose, which is a really beautiful rosy tone, but it is a little bit more muted. And I'm wearing our fitted cap. It's basically just for coverage. You don't need to wear a shaper underneath this one. You could wear a shaper, but I'm mainly wearing it just for coverage, and then the velvet band also helps to keep everything on really well. So we're gonna start off by putting the wrap on, having one tail be much shorter than the other. I'm actually gonna make it even a little bit shorter, and I'm starting it a little bit behind where the velvet begins. Next, we're going to hold the tails taut, bring them up, and then use this longer tail to go around, make the knot, and then pull it out. There we go. Holding this like this, making the knot. Okay, so the original way, you know, lefties and righties, we are used to making our knots a certain way. So I'll generally go like this. But what I'm gonna do right now is, since I made my first knot that way, now I'm gonna go the opposite way. So instead of going like this, I'm gonna go like this, which isn't such a comfortable thing for me to do, but this is gonna help to create a different, like a more rounded knot type look. Okay, so now we have our second knot. Now we're gonna work with the longer side. We're gonna open it up so that the suede portion is facing up versus the underside. And we're gonna just take it around, all the way around. See, this is going right here, all the way around until you cannot wrap it anymore, and then you will tuck it into itself right here. Okay, now we're gonna work with this portion. It could be that just in case your starting tail was a little bit longer than mine, you'll have just a little bit more to fold underneath, but since mine is super short right now, all I'm gonna do is just take it and just tuck it right into here, right behind the knot. And this just helps to create more of like a more height, if that makes sense. And what was I gonna say? So yeah, it helps to create more height. So if this tail was a little bit longer than what mine is right now, it'll help to create even more height. But mine is just like this right now, so that's how much height it's gonna give. But I really like this look. It's an adaptation of two tutorials that we have right now, or that we have on our tutorials page. But yeah, I thought it would be a fun way to mix it up. Also, you can totally do this wrap without a shaper underneath. I know people are not always wanting to wear shapers, so it's a good option to have. I just had my hair in a bun right now. And yeah, sorry for all the extra talking, but I hope it helped. Enjoy.